Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel, and today I will show you how to fix the problem with game not visible in Google Play Store on your VIVO Y36. Fix this problem, we try to install something from Google Play Store. It can be Call of Duty. We search it, but we don't have Call of Duty there. To fix it, we must go back to main menu of our Google Play Store, where we must tap on our photo on the right side. And go to the setting, where we have family option and parental controls. And now we have PG3. We must change it to PG16 to install this game as Call of Duty. To do that, we click on that and enter a code pin to parental controls, and now we can change it to PEGI 16. Confirm but understood, click save, and now we must go back to Google Play Store, search a Call of Duty game, and now we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye!